Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve another interesting geometric problem. In the given triangle ABC, side AB measures 15 units. Side AC measures 20 units. A line segment AD is drawn from vertex A to point D on the base BC such that segment AD is equal in length to segment BD and segment DC. Our goal is to find the total area of triangle ABC. Before we proceed, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me and enables me to create more content. Thank you. Also, feel free to pause the video and give it a try, and tell us your answer in the comment section. To solve this problem, first, let's take a look at the given relationship. Segment AD equals segment BD, which also equals segment DC. Since BD equals DC, point D is the midpoint of side BC. That means, segment AD is a median. Specifically, a line drawn from a vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Notice that, the median's length is exactly half of the total base BC. This triggers a very special geometric property. By the converse of Thales' theorem, or the hypotenuse median property of right triangles. If the median to a side of a triangle is equal to half the length of that side, then the angle opposite to that side is always a right angle of 90 degrees. Let's prove it together. To see why this works, let's look at the two smaller triangles inside triangle ABC. In triangle ABD, since side AD equals side BD, it is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, its base angles are equal. Let's call each of them alpha. In triangle ACD, since side AD equals side DC, it is also an isosceles triangle. Its base angles are equal. Let's call each of them beta. Now, let's use the fundamental rule that all interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. It follows that angle B plus angle C plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degrees. Angle B is equal to alpha. Angle C is equal to beta. Angle BAC, at the top, is equal to alpha, plus beta. Substituting the angles, we have alpha, plus beta, plus alpha, plus beta, is equal to 180 degrees. Adding them all together gives 2 times alpha, plus 2 times beta, which sums to 180 degrees. Dividing the whole equation by 2, 2 will cancel out 2. And 180, divided by 2, is 90. This shows that alpha, plus beta, must equal 90 degrees. Since angle BAC is made of alpha plus beta, we have just proven that angle BAC is equal to 90 degrees. So, triangle ABC is actually a right-angled triangle, with its right angle at vertex A. For a right-angled triangle, the area can be calculated using the formula. Area is equal to 1 over 2 times base times height. In this triangle, we can consider AB as the base and AC as the height. And this follows that the area is equal to 1 over 2 times AB times AC. AB is equal to 15. AC is equal to 20. Substituting these values in the expression will give us area is equal to 1 over 2 times 15 times 20. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. And we are left with 1 times 15 times 10, which is equal to 150. Hence, the total area of triangle ABC is 150 square units. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.